Hi guys and gals. Today we're going to learn word number 69 and word number 70. Are you ready with your word book? Your pencil should be in the middle. Let's think about the sounds to begin. Your first word for today, as. What's the word? As. Like one day you'll be as big as your parents. Put your hand on your chin, elbows up. How many syllables in the word as? As, one syllable. As. Two bounces. As. Slide it. As. What's the first sound you hear in the word as? From a, Print it now. As. What's the next sound you hear in the word as? Use z. Now you have your word, and what does it say? As. Let's print it here and see if mine looks like yours. What was the first sound in the word as? From a, And the next sound? Z. And we used z. I bet that Vihan's looks just like mine. But we need a marking here too. I think that Renya probably knows which marking we need to put. Put a baby 2 on top of letter S. And that's what you need. Austin's is probably perfect. Okay, let's recode this word. We write as, we read as. Do it again. We write as, we read as. I think Jara said that perfectly. And Sierra too. Good job, guys. Okay, now I want you to talk to your parent and think of a sentence that you could use that uses the word as. Did you think of a good one, Soren? How about you, Mira? Okay, now we're going to look and practice word number 70. The word is has. Say it with me. Has. Hand on your chin, elbows up. I could say a sentence like this. Miss Piggles has one little snack in her cage. Poor Miss Piggles. Anyways, how many syllables in the word has? Get ready? Has. One syllable. As. 3 sounds, 3 bounces. As. Has. As. Has. Slide it. Has. What's the first sound you heard in the word has? My fave. Print beside number 70. As. Next sound, from a, Print it now. As. Last sound, z, from z. Print it now. Okay, let's print it on the board and see if yours looks like mine. What was the first sound in the word has? My fave. And the next sound in the word has? From a, Good job, Shanby. And the last sound? Z, from z. And there's the word. What does it say, Ethan? Has. Good job. There's one marking we need on this word has, and I bet Isabella knows exactly what it is. Right, it's the baby 2 on top of this z, because he's saying a second sound. Does yours look exactly like mine? I think Penelope's is probably perfect. Okay, let's recode this word together. Thinking of the sounds, we write as, we read has. We write as, we read has. Now take some time and say a sentence with your parent. Tell them a sentence with the word has. Go. Sam, did you think of a good one? Okay. Now your job for today As always, print and practice your words 5 times each. Don't be cheap. Make sure you get your practicing done towards the end of your word book, just on the next row, or if your mom printed off the page, or another page will do just fine. Think about how you're forming your letters. And when you're practicing your words, guys and gals, I want your block straight, holding your rocket properly, and do your very best always. See you tomorrow.